We the team, I won't say love, you're going to think I'm all fluffy, but we enjoy each other and we are emotionally attached to each other. Not me and Billy, us and the whole team, which is ADB. If it's a young guy coming through or older guy in the team, like we even played this game, we wanted to get that match in South Africa done, the minute broke the record. We'd like to start a player when it's his 100th game. We would have loved to give Billy last year, but Fassi was just playing so well. So we don't want to give away freebies. He's 2 games away. But Sasha hasn't played for a while. Damien hasn't played for a while. Fassi is currently injured. Mani is injured. Jordan's coming through. Sia Masuku's coming through. So, there's a few. Cheslin can play fullback. But, yes, we will never put the person's personal interest above the team. But I think Billy deserves to get to his 100 games, and we guess if we have playing 15 matches with 14 being test matches, hopefully he'll get his 100 this year.